Hello, good morning. This is Adesina for trendonomicsng.com. Today I'll be looking at, this morning I'll be looking at a live trade potential opportunity in US dollar Japanese yen. If we should look at this chart, the daily time frame for USD Japanese yen, the trend for this pair since the month of December has been in a downtrend. So we're working with my daily time frame. And we've seen, based on my moving average trade setup, we've seen that the pair has been forming a lower low continuously from the month of December 2017. So at every particular point in time, since it crossed this moving average and closed below this important neckline, we noticed that the pair has been trading sharply downward, forming a lower low and a lower high continuously, while trading below this trend line setup of SMA 100 and shorter moving average of EMA 34 and 20. So currently, we noticed in last week's trading that the pair did not form a lower low, instead formed an higher low from what we saw in the previous month of February. So at that point, that was the first signal to actually exit our position. So and also relatively, we also saw the moving averages also converge. So at this point, we are seeing the longer time average, which is SMA 100, converging with the shorter time averages of EMA 34 and 20. So interestingly, now currently we see on the 4 hours time frame that as the moving averages converges, the 4 hours candle for currently forming is forming a bullish candle and is still forming a bullish candle until there's a close above the bullish candle and the SMA cross of 100 crosses below the EMA 34 and 20. Then it will trigger our buy entry, and we expect a reversal. So, but looking at the pivot point analysis also to support this trade, we also noticed that in the last 4 hours, the pair found support at the weekly central pivot point, and currently forming is another 4 hours candle. Until this is complete, then we can form our bias. But with what we have seen so far in the pair, we notice that now that we're seeing a potential buy opportunity in this currency pair. So going forward, I would wait for a 4 hours candlestick to end, which will most likely end by around 11 a.m. Nigerian, 11 a.m. Nigerian time. So I'll wait for this candlestick to end and possibly close above 107.02, while my stop loss would surely be placed in 90 pips below the moving averages. So I'll be looking at a 95 pips below the moving averages, about 106.11. So but I will trail our stop loss, we will trail our take profit to the first support, which will most likely become a resistance at 108.41. So in actual fact, our pending order will be placed with the 90 pip stop loss at 106.10 or 15, with a potential take profit of 130 pips, which is at 108.36. But again, don't let us also lose sight of this resistance level also. So there's a resistance zone between 107.09 and 108.41. So to get updates of my trade our potential setup and analysis, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you and happy trading.